Hello food fans, we're going to have macaroni and cheese as a base for today's meal. Nice lunch. This cost 34 cents at Aldi a month ago, 2 months ago, and it's now $1.45 at Aldi. This is good macaroni and cheese. We're going to have some macaroni and cheese. This is a 7-ounce package, and I will add to it some ham. This is a package that contains 6 ham slices. I'm going to use 2 of the ham slices in today's meal, and I'll show you what they look like. They are big and thick, so we'll add that to the macaroni and cheese, and maybe we'll have a salad, and maybe we'll have a dessert. So let's get started. To the boiling water, I add the macaroni. I've taken out the package that has the cheese in it, and I add the macaroni there. I'll stir it in about 30 seconds, and then put the lid back on, let it cook for maybe 8.5 minutes. I'm going to put the ham right in there with the macaroni. Has some big chunks. This is not just thin ham, this is pretty thick ham, and it appears to be something that's quite tasty. Ham does go good with macaroni and cheese. Let that cook for a little bit, and we'll be right back. I will turn the fire out, the heat, to the pan that has the macaroni in it, and it also has the ham in there. It's going to be cooked quite well, and it's going to be very tasty, and I will be adding the package of cheese and a little bit of vegetable oil, and we will be ready to eat. And it all looks good, and the macaroni and cheese I've had many times when it was 34 cents. This still cost me only 34 cents because I bought it a couple of months ago. Let's see what the ham tastes like with it. The ham slices, I guess, come out excuse me, to a total of about 53 cents per slice. And so I got a little over $1 worth of ham in with the macaroni and cheese. Hope you're having a delightful day, and what I'm going to do is put a little bit of ketchup on my salad. I've got a salad here, and I've got some cabbage and some carrots. I don't have tomatoes today. I forgot to buy tomatoes. I was at the store, so it's my fault. And tomatoes have gone up probably about 10% in the last month, so it's not as bad as some things. Some things have really gone crazy price-wise, but the salad, I think, is a very good thing for anyone. I have ketchup, mayonnaise, and relish that does not want to open, but there it is, it's open. And let me make sure we get the mayonnaise on the salad and not inside the relish. There we go. And we'll talk a little bit about prices then and now, and numbers then and now. The inflation that we're seeing is obviously much more intense now than it was a year ago or 2 years ago. But we've had inflation ever since I was a kid. get some root beer here. We lived in a house in Hammond, Indiana, back in 1945, the end of World War II. I need to have some root beer. The house was very well located on a busy street, across the street from the grade school my brother and I attended. 3-bedroom house, 1 bath, had a pantry, had a back porch, had a front porch, had closets, had an attic, and had a basement. It was for sale about 1945 for $6,000. Today, a house like that, if you happen to have it in Hollywood, would be worth about $1.5 million. So it would have been a good investment, and you would not have had to have moved it to Hollywood. Could have kept it right there in Hammond, Indiana. And the prices of real estate, supposedly, we have a real estate bubble. I have no intention of selling my houses now, even though this is a possible peak in price. I don't think there's a real estate bubble in Tennessee. Get some salad here. Salad never gets to be bad tasting. It tastes very good. Cabbage, carrots, no tomatoes this time, mayonnaise, relish, and ketchup. I think it's good for you, but not being a doctor, I won't give medical advice. This is good. 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 One of the things that's gone down in price and is better today than it used to be is video camera. Everything to do that's related to taking pictures with videos. When I was young, when I was 17, actually when I was, I guess it was when I was 17, I bought a movie camera. It cost about $50 or $55. I still have the movie camera, 8mm movie camera. I could make a 3-minute movie on a roll of film. Would not have the quality of today's $50 movie cameras. And I would have to pay for processing the film plus buying the film. Today you can make a home movie, or you can make a really high quality production, depending on what it is you're doing. you could make a movie, 70-minute movie that had good quality for under $10,000 easily. If you have a lot of friends. Macaroni and cheese. If I were in the White House, if I were president, which I am not announcing any candidacy here, I do not intend to run for the office of the presidency of the United States or any other country. No, no, please. The presidential pay, I believe when I was young, about 1945 or thereabouts, the president's pay was $100,000 per year. Now, I'm not sure what it is. It's over 200,000. But the odd thing about it, if you ever get a chance, just do a little bit of looking at the numbers. See what your congressperson or senator was worth when they started running for office, and see what they're worth today and why. How do people get rich? The answer, my friend, is board of directors and stock options. Free stock options. That's the road to success. If you buy the stock option, you're gambling. You might gamble right. I do well in the stock market, but I don't use derivatives. I don't buy and sell options, puts, calls, whatever. I buy stocks and I sell stocks. I also buy and sell ETFs, exchange traded funds. I have a Feature Man Stocks channel. I'll leave a link at the side, or I guess it's under the description now. It's in the description. Needless to say, this is very good. Ham, macaroni and cheese. Still pictures also now, you can get a really good still picture of yourself with digital cameras. And it's amazing what you can do with them. Prices on anything that is technology related is lower today than it was when I was a kid. If I would have bought a computer in 1945, which would have been a possibility, they did have computers. I think it was IBM had the UNIVAC, the little lights that turned on. And bird hit the window there or something. UNIVAC computer couldn't do what you could do with a wristwatch today, but it took up the whole room. I'm going to get the dessert ready. I won't keep you. You know what is good, and it's low cost. Macaroni and cheese with ham added. That is good. And the dessert today is vanilla pudding. They do have vanilla pudding, 88 cents for 4 of them. at Aldi. I shop at Aldi and I shop at Kroger. I like them both. The macaroni and cheese came from Aldi. Let me put this over here. Mmm. Which spoon, where is it? Here it is. I shall have some of the vanilla pudding. This is good. This is very good. Very, very good pudding. One more sip of root beer. Thank you for watching.